Here we are. Welcome to part 4. We start from here. We begin to assemble the chassis, the engine, and it will take a little time. I want to show you all in speed mode, obviously, otherwise it will be boring. And I hope you like it. This is not the first time I do this kind of chassis. It's always the same things, same options part, bearings, suspension, dampers. But this time I show you I will use this Chinese engine. I don't know nothing about this. It is good, not good, fast, durable, not durable. We will discover it. So, let's start. Stop speaking. Obviously, please subscribe. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm very happy to receive your subscription. And this is the feedback of my work, if people likes or doesn't like work. If you have suggestions, please tell me. They are always welcome. So, shut up, Nanny. Start working. And here we have 2 ball bearings, as you have seen. 1, 2, 4. 4 ball bearings. This is first upgrade. The shaft is functional, but I don't like it. Metal one would be better, just to see. It works very well. So, chassis. Marine grease. This is Italian, this is water friendly. It resists water. It's very good. Differential. A tip. This is a very strong magnet. I do this, so it's very easy to work. Sealed ball bearings. They say to use grease here. I don't use it because with dust it becomes sanding, dangerous. Stage 9. Large ball bearings. 1 and 2. So it's very important the right position, so or so, because they have to be, they must go on the same direction. So this, it seems, by this side. Okay. Cover. Okay. Then A2, rear upper arms. Well, now we have to find out something. Is this a short or a long wheelbase? Here you find if your car is the body needs short or long wheelbase, and this is the time to understand this. So this is a 257 millimeters. Let's go quite at the end of the instruction, page 19. Here it is. I was lucky. You have to choose the right position of these arms to short or long wheelbase. Now I have to turn because I'm not able to read on the contrary. This is a long wheelbase, 257. So it's shorter. You see the difference. And we need longer. So this to stay in this position. A7. This. Okay. Up to now we have differential, transmission, and we have the right wheelbase for this car. Quite good. Engine, and this is the problem. We have to study a little bit because I don't use standard engine, but as I show you, this is the engine support. Here we have a lot of threaded holes. Anyone can be used. Now I do as I want to do. Pinion. Perfect. Tick a little bit. This is the position. But the cables comes out from here. Okay. Okay. After the engine, the cover. Oh, at the end, so I stop. I have grease on my hand. Short, long. This is the way. This is A9. A8 is hard plastic. This one 9. This tack, tack. So MA2. What the news? MA2. Ah. And these are longer, MA1, right. Okay, 16 finished, 17 next time. Up to now, I think we have done a lot of things. This is our car. Hope it was useful for you, for the beginners. We have this option part, ball bearings, you have seen. So, if you like, please thumb up as usual. If you don't like, thumb down. But please tell me why you don't like, so I can adjust my shot. And subscribe. Don't subscribe, tell your friends. Thank you very much, and up to the next. Keep on going on this. Bye bye.